Networking. What is it? Networking is one of the most important activities in your career, but no one really tells you what it is, how to do it, and how you go about it. With this in mind, did you know that experts have estimated that approximately 80% of all positions in the labor market are never publicly advertised or posted? This is what is known as a hidden job market. These positions are filled by, or created for, candidates who have come to the attention of an employer through direct connections, or recommendations and referrals from trusted colleagues and associates. As the saying goes, a successful job search is not only about what you know, but also who you know. Still, networking is a lot more than shaking hands, collecting business cards, adding people on LinkedIn, or recruiting followers on Twitter. It is about developing and nurturing genuine and meaningful professional connections. There are a variety of ways to network, including attending industry events, meeting people at a workshop, or sending someone a direct message on Twitter or LinkedIn. In other words, you can network both online and offline. All these methods are effective, but at the end of the day, networking needs to funnel down to a person-to-person meeting. Networking is also a two-way street. You should be simultaneously giving and receiving advice and assistance, and sharing information with others, thus allowing others to see you as a valuable resource. Taking networking to the next level, it is not only about who you know, but also who knows you. Since networking is about authentic engagement and relationship building with people, it does take time. This is why you should not wait. Start networking now. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our career educators.